Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all this glowy dewy natural makeup look. I hope you guys like this video. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first I'm going to begin with this aloe vera gel from Patanjali. This will add a natural glow to my face. So for my today's video, I'm going to use these two foundation. One is from Maybelline and other one is from the Faces Canada. I'm going to mix this both together and apply all over my face and neck area. The reason behind using this both foundation is I want the full coverage from the Maybelline foundation and the natural finish and glow of the Faces Canada foundation. So now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild concealer. I'm going to conceal my under eyes area with it. Now I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline and I'm going to highlight my face with help of this concealer. Now I'm using the compact powder from Blue Heaven and applying it all over my face and neck area. So I'm going to use this shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette for my eyebrows because this time I want my eyebrows to look more natural. So now I'm going to select this shade from Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette and apply all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to use this shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette and I'm going to apply over my eyelids and inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm selecting this brown shade from Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette and applying it on my lower lash line. Now I'm using this mascara from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. This shade I'm going to use from the Savannah Colors palette for highlighting my high points. Be more gentle with highlighting the high points because this is where you're going to get that natural glow. So now I'm going to use this lipstick from Sugar in shade Brownie Point. I want my blush to be more neutral and this shade of lipstick was so perfect for it, so I'm using it all over my cheeks and a little bit of on the nose area. So now I'm using the same shade of lipstick and I'm applying it by dabbing it all over my lips. I'm not applying it directly because I want it to be more lighter rather than it being more darker. So here is the final look. This look is so fresh, so natural, so glowy, and I hope you guys like it. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every video, and share this video with your family and friends, and also like this video and comment on this video that what you think about this look. So see you next time. Bye.